What's up everybody, this is another Power Africa Solar video here in Nairobi County. Let me just take you through our installation that we had already done, but today we came for another upgrade. The client wanted 2 extra batteries, but just to run you through what we have here on the setup, we have the PV breaker for the first inverter. So, and then this is another PV breaker for the second inverter. The client has 2 inverters that have been stacked together to make 22,000 watts for his installation. And so for the first PV breaker, we have 16 panels of 665 watt monocrystalline panels. And for the second inverter, we have 16 panels of the 665 watt monocrystalline panels also installed for him. The reason is because each of the inverters have a maximum input for the panels, and so for each of the inverter it could handle 16 and 16 for the power that our client needed. On to the battery fuse. We also have the battery fuse installed. We have the battery bus bars, and on to now the AC panel. This is everything that is coming from inside the house that KPLC is changing from KPLC into the AC panel. We have the SPDs, we have the AVS also here connected, and then now we have one of our automatic changeover switches. This one is taking the KPLC into generator power, and then this one is from solar, the generator, and KPLC. On to the storage, where the client meant business. They actually don't want any power outages, and so initially we did have 4 Weco 5.3 kilowatt hour batteries, but the client was like, you know what, let me do a bit more, and he decided to add 2 more batteries. So for these Weco batteries, we have 5.3 kilowatt hour. However, at 80% depth of discharge, we get 4.24 kilowatt hour. And so if you add all of these batteries, the client has 25.8 kilowatt hour at his behest. So if you are interested in getting these Weco batteries, getting this inverter, and some of our 665 watt monocrystalline panel, you know where to get us. We are at Platinum Square, Hall Road Industrial Area, and we're also in Kisumu Railway Station. Go down 1. Any questions for this kind of installation or something similar, you can reach out to us. Serious inquiries only, tafadhali, and we will get right to your site and sort you out. Thank you so much.